Yeah, YouTube, man. You know, we back with another one. We ran through Third Ward, man. POV through the hood, man. Got my nigga Chad with me. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. So, we are currently on the way to the Casa. Casa. But we getting pulls through the hood, man. Woo! Yeah, y'all know what's going on. Yeah, y'all know what's going on, man. So, we just through the trenches. I really ain't even record when we was in the trenches, but you know, y'all a quick little view. You know what I'm saying?
People start coming out when you hear the call.
Huh?
I say people start coming out when they hear the call.
Yeah. Y'all know we ran through the hood. We ran from 3rd Ward to 5th Ward, so.
Ooh, that damn shit.
Ooh, shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. Hey! Side Diddy.
Boy, getting crazy.
Nah, this bitch came from up under me the other day. I was pissed off. This bitch tried to down me. No bullshit. I wouldn't have had no car if that shit would have happened. I'd have been pissed off. Let me turn the stars on, man. I see everybody do their POVs with the stars on, so I'm just turning. Matter of fact, we're gonna close the windows.
Stars.
I'm gonna leave my window open. And we're gonna cut the air on. But yeah, so, you know, we out. Scat pack. We in the scatty today. That AC smell new. Every time I turn it on, it smell like a new car.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, we got a full PO. I can't even cut up right here because I'm gonna spin out. Yeah, that bitch would have took off right there. You know that.
Yeah, that is true.
We riding through the trenches though, man. It's the trenches, look. When we just left the project, I was down and tweaking, didn't record shit, but it's cool. So if y'all familiar with Houston, man, y'all know the area about where we at and shit like that, so it's live. Yeah, I can't even speed. I ain't gonna lie to you. I try speed, nigga, that's gonna be yeah, nah, this motherfucker gon' fishtail. We gon' be somewhere else we ain't supposed to be at. You feel me? Look at him with his ponytail. I'm like a fucking bitch.
That was a nigga?
Yeah. You look like a damn girl. Those look like a bitch. Oh yeah, so we just, you know, all that fucking garbage over there, bro.
Oh yeah, nah, for real. Scrap.
Oh, garbage. Damn. Ooh. Suck it now, face up. That's where you work.
I tried. They said hell no.
Like, fuck no.
Hey, what the fuck are you?
Nah, no bullshit.
You gotta be certified. To be doing that scrap stuff. And that's where you live in the scrap
Huh?
That's where you live in the scrap
Yeah. Have scrapyard liver by night. This thing is like metal and shit. I don't smell like dirty ass metal, shitty metal.
Oh my god.
I said it don't smell like no shitty ass metal.
Yeah, well that shit stank. It smell like rust. All that.
Yeah, dude, that's all that rusty ass shit back here. Look.
Yo,
It smell like that. Y'all stink. Look at that.
Excuse me, sir.
What's it? Hold on.
Look, what up, start waving?
Oh. Porsche Diddy. I'm just bored, dry bored, man. I don't want to do shit. I ain't dropped no video in like a week now, so. Oh, I ain't dropped a video in 2 days, my bad. So by the time y'all see this, it's probably gonna be like 4 days, 5 days later.
I had it rain today. Well,
Yeah.
we need a rain anyway.
We did need rain.
Place gotta need that.
Yeah, you need to eat them plants. You know, we gotta keep them plants alive so you can eat. Cause you're an herbivore.
Herbivore,
boy.
know y'all hate.
Everybody already know I eat hay.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, we just went back to the same spot we was in, huh? We back in 3rd Ward, ain't we? I think we are. F-I-F.
Yeah, you still going ahead.
No, I know, I'm talking shit. I'm talking shit. And when my mama watch my clothes, she use as bleach. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we on the stop. My finger sore as hell from this shit. What the fuck? I'm trying to show y'all the straight to the back, you know? What?
Huh?
I like a what?
You look like a finger.
I like a finger. I like a thumb.
You like that?
Thumb head out, boy.
You like that finger that nobody likes.
You like a finger nobody use. Like a arthritis finger or some shit.
You're off that, bro. Hey, you got that one. You got that one. Ain't gonna lie to you, you got that one. That nigga said an arthritis finger. That nigga don't know that. How much on the bed? What band that car can smoke you? No, it's my enemy.
I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't race right now because I just don't feel, what do you say? I don't feel safe.
You hate them cars when they keep trying to stay in front of you.
Yeah,
They don't want you to pass by.
Yeah, they be sucking. Hey, we can sit off of that shit, don't be want to let me pass like I will slap they bitch ass. Oh, that rhyme. I'ma stop cursing in my videos so I can start making them for kids.
You know what that car look like? You know, you ever seen that Tokyo Drift?
You gonna have a scat cat.
A scat cat?
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna have?
Yeah. Instead of a scat pack, you gonna have or a Hellcat, you gonna have a scat cat. Face ass. Like, nigga, it's either a scat pack or a Hellcat. Nigga, I said I got a scat cat, damn. Face ass.
Together, no cap.
Face ass, boy.
I might do that though.
Huh?
Had a scat pack, like, what you call it?
Bro,